Hi, I'm Jason, Sales Manager and WAV Specialist here at Roywood Transits. Today I do the sales walk around video for you for the Ford Tourneo GM Quantum behind me. So for sale here at Roywood Transits, Ford Tourneo Custom, ex-Motability car, converted when new by GM Coachworks, this one GM Coachworks. So it's the Quantum conversion, so it's the low floor. Ideal for larger wheelchairs or scooters, which we'll see in a minute. January 20 registered on a 69 plate. It's the 2 litre Euro 6 130 PS, ULEZ compliant for you. It's done under 10,000 miles, 9,000 and some miles. So lovely, lovely low mileage. 8-gate black, looks well. Also the 6-speed automatic for you. So automatic, ULEZ compliant, lovely low mileage in the black. Vehicle's only just arrived. Got a little scratch on the wheel arch there. Our team will take care of that, so that'll all be repainted for you. Let's say is the Quantum. 2 side loading doors, tailgate, aircon throughout the vehicle. So in the dashboard for the cab, and then in the roof for the rear passengers. So we open from here, tailgate, manual tailgate. And then we have an electric rear ramp. That's clever, like that. And we've got our demonstrator scooter in the back here, so you can see it's a mid-size scooter, this one, plenty of space either side and all around it. So, extra seat in the back, single passenger seat, so if you need to get from the front into the rear without opening the doors, the single passenger seat allows that. So really nice feature, that one. The single passenger seat much more comfortable than the twin as well in the front, but yeah, gives you instant access into the back if you've got caring needs. Be ideal for you. Vehicle will be fully prepared here by our team. We'll also have a new wet belt fitted, due at the age now. It'll also be supplied with our own 6-month warranty. Got floor mats in already for you. Super condition. Automatic. Ice Pack 23, so plug your smartphone into the dashboard. Use the apps off your phone through the van. Pause on the video there, left the key on my desk. I'll put the key in now. Oh no, not 9,000 and something, just under 11,000 miles, so 10,967, so yeah, sorry, I was 1,000 miles out, still lovely low mileage. So the 11,000 miles for you. If you'd like any more details, or you'd like to book a viewing or a test drive demonstration, you're more than welcome. Give me a call in the office, please. 0118 979 0060. Thanks very much for your interest. Thanks for watching. Take care.